Hey Matt, how are you? I was looking at the charts and currently on Euro USD and applying the ICT concepts that I've been watching last few days. So applying it here, and I'm curious about your thoughts. So yeah, to jump right into it, I marked out here the fair value gap on the daily time frame. This is daily, by the way. And he speaks about the elephant in the room, right? The really PD arrays that really stands out. And for me, that's this fair value gap and this very big wick. So this wick, this was on a Monday, and you can clearly see it did not fill in the complete fair value gap, and also you can see it's closing way above this fair value gap. Then yesterday came short, touching this fair value gap, but also closing above the fair value gap. And today, price action already tapped into the fair value gap, fell short to to touch the consequent encroachment, and is now moving higher and also took out previous day low. Um, so, and overall for me, trend is bullish. So this is just a reversal. And the thing that I watched yesterday with ICT was that he was talking about purge and revert. So then he would measure the current range, the current high to the lowest low, and take OTE level like 70.5 retracement level, and notice what's there, a beautiful swing high. So it's insane that this is now also happening on EU. So it's very nice. Also, I think if we go to the lower time frames, for example, 50-minute, what we see here is the previous day low. Yesterday's low has been taken. Price fell short to touch the consequent encroachment level, so that is a sign of strength. And also, therefore, I'm expecting now, it's more like a swing trade, to trade to those 70.5 level, which are also relatively equal highs. So yeah, this obviously could also be seen as a power of three, like this whole portion. Um, for me, this is consolidation, manipulation, and now I'm waiting for the expansion phase. So I'd like to see some more price action bullishness before entering longs. And what's also nice is that we are trading below midnight opening price, and everything below midnight opening price is considered discount, right? So there are a lot of confluences playing here. That's on the hourly chart. This is the low, which was failing to close in the fair value gap. Then we got a displacement away. And what I wanted to do also was this big wick. I want to grade this big wick because that's, as you see, how price reacts on it was very nice. So let's do this in quadrants. Make it a little bit bigger. And I want some lines. Okay, cool. Let's make it blue. So diving to the 1 minute now. So this was yesterday's price action. And oh, you know what? Let's take today's price action and see how price behaves. Yeah. So what I also did, let's move this one. So this is the fib on this very big wick, right? Okay, this previously low, not important anymore. So on the 1 minute time frame, this is a huge distance, and everything is fractal. So what I also did was draw quadrants in these levels right here, like so. Make them a color so it's obvious it's more on the lower time frame too. visible only on the 1 minute. Yeah. So, and as you can see, you immediately see how important those levels are. What do you expect at 50%? We expect consolidations, right? So that's exactly what's happening here also. So this is a nice reversal. I think we are now on the buy side of the curve. Here we have the original consolidation. So I'm expecting price to go there, but now in Forex, this is now lunch, London lunch between 5 and 7. So I'm waiting for New York if I'm able to, because I have the kids today. But anyway, it's looking good. So I'm expecting, talking about daily profiles, I'm expecting a London to New York reversal. While this reversal is already happening now or maybe we get some consolidation now because we're also at opening price. But yeah, if you look how price is reacting at those levels, this is just a mohawk, which is allowed on the one lower time frames. Then we're creating a fair gap. Price is never traded into. I'm sorry, that's just no one barging into downstairs. Here you can see also some precisions here. And also he's noticing time and price, right? So let's see if you look at the macros, because something he was talking about. I'm sorry. Jongens, ik ben even aan het opnemen. Kun je even wat zachter doen? So this is I'm then looking for some PD arrays that are aligning with the levels right here, right? So mainly this fair value gap. Let's see what happens. I just extend it. Where's the? Oh, this one. Our price never came to that level. But you can see we get little mohawks in here. Price is respecting it. Price rates higher. We are respecting the upper quadrant, the 75% level. Price stays through it. Let's see, do we have anything here? What do we have? There's a large order block, right? Oh, this is the order block. Then price rates higher. And also, yeah, the precision is ridiculous when you look at some levels here. Also, you see it very beautifully. This is the 50% level of the big wick. Price trade through it with speed. And if you mark out this value gap, price is respecting it. So yeah, I like this very much. Let's drag this one over here. Also in here again, the upper portion is respected, but it's a CBDR, so it's not really trading time. So let's draw it in here. See what time is it here? Okay, so we need to, I think this is yesterday's price action, yeah. Let's drag it in here. So this is the upper portion. And the upper portion should be clean, which we can see in prices respecting here the 70%. Take some more liquidity, respecting the upper portion. Trades lower. Oh, these are my marks from yesterday. So this is the, what's this? Let's show why I marked this out. This is more important because this is on the 50% level. Price respecting it, trading lower. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's very nice. I think it's very powerful. I think I'm going to create my model based on all this. Just find a very obvious PD array on the daily. Use the quadrants, try to find out where price is going. Obviously, yesterday I used these levels to navigate. I was expecting price to trade into the fair value gap. As you can see, price just came short yesterday. But today my take profit was hit. And now, since price fell short on that touching the consequent encroachment and also applying the logic that usually London creates the low or the high of the day, well, today we have this big manipulation move taking out sell side, and I see some bearish structure now establishing. So therefore, assuming that London creates a low of the day, and now we trade higher. And to me, if we create higher, and very logical area is this high over here, which was also the 70.5 retracement level right there. So yeah, I like this very much, and I need to dive into this deeper. But yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, bye.